How to make your RV air conditioner quieter. Traveling in an RV is an exceptionally great way to travel. It is like having a home on the road. And that means it needs to have a properly functioning AC unit, to keep everyone comfortable when the temperatures are rising. A loud RV air conditioner can be a real downer when traveling, so people want to be able to tone the noise down. Here we learn more about how to make your RV air conditioner quieter. Why are RV air conditioners rather loud? The reason that RV air conditioners are loud is mostly due to the air rushing in and out. This happens in a lot of RVs, and owners are always looking at how to make their RV air conditioner quieter. In order to understand this, it's important to know the two components that make most of the noise. They are 1. The compressor. A main part of the air conditioning system is the compressor. This component needs to operate correctly in order to get the cooler air to circulate through the RV. If not, it can be noisy to say the least. 2. The airflow. The airflow in an RV air conditioner can be through the sealing box. It can also be through the ducts, which can make the sound very loud. How to make your RV air conditioner quieter. When you, as an RV owner, want to figure out how to make your RV air conditioner quieter, it is a good idea to let someone else take a look, so that they can see what is actually happening. You will want to be sure that they are paying attention to everything and in great detail. Here are some of the ways of how to make your RV air conditioner quieter. 1. Regular maintenance. It's necessary to be sure that all of the parts are in good shape. There may be a need to replace them, and this should be done right away in order to get the best performance with the least amount of sound. 2. Replace the fan motor. In many cases, the fan motor may not be working properly. This can cause an unusual amount of noise. This should be checked, and replaced, if needed, so that a person will enjoy some quiet time. As in any case of fixing the AC unit, the right part needs to be identified and replaced in the correct manner for it to work right. 3. Air conditioner mounting may need to be adjusted. When a person is looking at the air conditioner in their RV, they will want to check out the mounting closely. It may need to be adjusted. This particular part of the unit can be too tight or too loose, and once it is taken care of, the noise may be gone. It's important that the RV owner check to see if this is what was making the noise in the first place. 4. Air conditioner silencer kit. If all the parts of the air conditioner unit are working properly, an AC silencer kit may be in order. This will have everything that is necessary to tone down the noise of the unit without having to replace it. 5. Replacing the air conditioner. For some units, replacing the entire AC unit may be necessary. This may be due to the age of the unit and that there is no other way to diminish the amount of noise that it is giving off in the RV. In conclusion, having a great time in an RV is important. Being comfortable is what everyone wants, and they will find that these tips will help them to get rid of the loud noise of their RV air conditioner.